Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the language on the game Words of Wonders. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the game Words of Wonders crossword on your device. Now to change the language, go ahead and click on the settings or gear icon, which you can clearly see on the top right hand corner of the screen. As soon as you do that, you can see the language option. The default language is always English according to the region you are in. So if you want to change it, just go ahead and click on the language option and you can see the drop down menu of other languages. Go ahead and click on it and you can see a lot of languages. Now to change the language, all you need to do is select the language which you want to change it into. As soon as you do this, just go ahead and tap on enter. The game will restart itself and as you can see, the language has been changed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.